Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today I'll show you how to restrict access to a local drive for specific users on your Windows PC. First, let's start by opening File Explorer and right-click on the drive you want to restrict access to. Select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab and click on Edit. Next, click Add and type in the username for the user whose access you want to adjust. Click Check Names to verify. Now select the user account and click OK. Set permissions for this user, such as denying full control. Click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Confirm any permission changes by clicking Yes and continue as needed. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.